Namaste. So today I will be talking about Vipassana or Vipassana. Most people think meditation is just about calming the mind. But if you are genuinely interested in transformation, not surface level relaxation, then understand this. Vipassana is not for comfort. It's a tool for a freedom. It helps you go deep and face what's buried inside. If you are sincere, this path will show you exactly what causes your suffering and how to remove it at the root. Let's understand how. The word Vipassana means seeing thing as it is or clear insight. But insight into what? Into the truth of your own experience as it happens. You don't have to believe anything. You don't have to imagine anything. You simply observe. And as you observe, you begin to directly understand three core truths. Everything is impermanent. Suffering arises when we cling to what is impermanent. That is, we attach to the impermanent. And there is no permanent self behind these experiences. These truths are not philosophical ideas. When you practice properly, they become your lived reality. So I will talk about the three pillars of this practice. Think of this as a structure of the path. Skip anyone and you miss the essence. So the first step is samadhi, that is one-pointed concentration. So you start by observing your natural breath. No control, no effort, just awareness. This seems simple, but it's powerful. You are training the mind to become still, sharp, and one-pointed. Without this step, your attention won't have that strength to observe deeply. So stay with the breath, gently, patiently. Let the mind settle. Then comes the second step, panna, that is insight through sensation. Once the mind is steady, you begin to observe Vedana, that is sensations in the body. Start scanning the body part by part. Feel whatever is present: pain, heat, tingling, throbbing, vibration, heaviness, anything. Some areas may feel blank, some may be intense. Just stay with whatever arises. Don't try to change it. And here is what you will start to notice. Every reaction you ever had, anger, fear, greed, has left an imprint in your body as sensation. This is the forgotten link. You are not reacting to people or situations. You are reacting to sensations inside you. And until you learn to observe those sensations without reacting, the cycle continues. And the third step is upekha, that is equanimity. This is the most critical part. Whatever sensation arises, pleasant or unpleasant, you observe it with equanimity. This means no craving, no aversion, just pure awareness. If there is pain, let it be there. Don't resist. If there is bliss, let it pass. Don't chase. This is where your real work begins. You are training the deepest layer of the mind to stop reacting. And that's where transformation begins. So let's go a bit deeper. What we usually call karma is not a punishment from the universe. It's far more personal and scientific. Every time you react with craving or aversion, you plant a seed. That seed is called a sankhara, a mental impression. These sankharas don't just vanish. They get buried deep inside. And later, they come up as the sensations in the body. Physical discomfort, agitation, restlessness. This is why when you sit in Vipassana, pain appears without any injury. Old anger might surface, grief, restlessness. This is not random. This is your past karma arising as Vedana, bodily sensations. And your job is simple. Don't react. Just observe. Each time you do that, you burn a sankhara. You are dissolving karma, not conceptually, but physically. This is the true purification process. Let's simplify the practice structure. So, in the first step, you start with anapana, which is watch the breath gently to build samadhi. Stay at the nostrils. Then in the second step, move to full body awareness. Begin scanning. Start at the top of the head, move downward part by part. And the third step is notice the Vedana. Feel sensations without naming. No shoots, just raw sensation. And the fourth step is remain equanimous. No matter what arises, observe. Don't react. Don't even label it as good or bad. And repeat. This is not about achieving anything. It's about purifying the mind layer by layer. So why it is so difficult? See, this practice is simple, but not easy. Some days it will feel peaceful, other days it will feel like you are sitting in fire. You might feel old emotions come up, seemingly from nowhere. That's good. It means the sankharas are surfacing. And if you stay equanimous, they will dissolve. Don't run, don't suppress, just feel. Watch and let go. This is how karma burns. It doesn't need belief. It needs courage, stillness, and consistency. Today, science is slowly catching up with what meditators have seen for centuries. Neuroscience shows body sensations or introspection are tightly linked to emotional states. Mindfulness reduces automatic reactivity. Long-term meditations reshapes brain areas related to fear, attention, and awareness. But even if you never read a study, you will know through practice that this works. So Vipassana is not a philosophy, it's a manual for mind, handed down from a lineage that has tested this for thousands of years. There is nothing to worship. No belief required. Just sit, observe your breath, observe your sensations. Don't react. And layer by layer, your mind will become lighter. Your karma will begin to dissolve. And the freedom you were chasing outside, you will begin to grow within. Start now. Just feel, just watch, and let the purification begin. Observe without reacting. This is the path to freedom. Thank you.